Hello everyone. What if I told you that you could pay rent for 70 years and still walk away owning absolutely nothing? Well, that's exactly what just happened in a Supreme Court case that's shaking up property law across India. It all started back in 1953 with something as simple as a shop room and a rent agreement. But fast forwarding 3 generations later, and the tenant's family was still running their grocery store so comfortably, in fact, that it almost felt like the place was theirs. Then, everything changed. The landlord's daughter in law, Jyoti Sharma, inherited the property through a will and asked for the shop back. And naturally, the tenants weren't going down without a fight. They claimed the will was fake and even argued the landlord never really owned the property to begin with. What's wild is that two separate courts actually sided with them, the tenants. The case got dismissed not once but twice. But then it reached the Supreme Court, and that's where everything flipped. The court leaned on the section 116 of the Indian Evidence Act, a rule that says once you are let into a property as a tenant, you simply cannot turn around later and deny your landlord's ownership. It's called tenant estoppel, and in plain English, it basically means you can't live in someone's house for decades and then claim it was never theirs. As for that fake will argument, the court turned to the Indian Succession Act, ruling that a probate order, even one obtained late in the case, still carries real legal weight and can't just be brushed aside. So, in the end, the eviction was granted, decades of unpaid rent had to be settled, and the tenants were given just 6 months to vacate. No more excuses after that. And honestly, the takeaway here is simple: no matter how long you rent a place, you are still just renting it. That was Jyoti Sharma versus Vishnu Goyal 2025 INSC 1099. If this helped you understand your rights a little better, hit follow. I break down one landmark judgment like this every single day. You are always a step ahead. See you in the next one.